Meaning of Harpers Ferry.
Harpers Ferry.
Harpers Ferry.
Harpers Ferry.
Harpers Ferry. Harpers Ferry is a historic town located at the confluence of the Potomac and Shenandoah Rivers in West Virginia, USA. The town played a significant role in American history as it was the site of John Brown's raid on the Federal Armory in 1859, which became a catalyst for the Civil War. Harpers Ferry is also known for its role in the Industrial Revolution with the establishment of the United States Armory and Arsenal, as well as for its natural beauty and outdoor recreational activities. Today, Harpers Ferry is a popular tourist destination and a national historical park.